In today's video, I'm installing Windows 11 on a Lenovo ThinkPad X260, and everything starts normally as I show the laptop and my Windows 11 bootable USB. I press F12 to open the boot menu, select the USB drive, and the installation begins without any issues until I reach the partition screen, where a major error appears saying, "Windows cannot be installed on this disk." And because of this, I can't create or format any partitions, and the installation cannot continue. This problem usually happens when the laptop is running in legacy boot mode while the USB and the internal drive are set up for UEFI/GPT, causing a conflict. To fix it, I restart the laptop, press F1 to enter the BIOS, and simply reset all settings to default. Once I save and exit, I boot from the USB again. And this time the partition screen loads correctly with no errors, allowing the installation to proceed smoothly. After that, Windows 11 installs successfully without any problems. This simple BIOS reset often resolves legacy boot issues. So if you're facing the same error, make sure to try this solution.